Welcome to Homework Lib.
To solve for p, you could begin, since one radical is isolated, square both sides. That'll just get rid of it, so we have 3p plus 2 on the right. On the left, you can square the binomial. You square the first term, which would be 3 minus 3p, then multiply and double the two terms, so you get minus 6 times the square root of 3 minus 3p, and then square the second term, so you get plus 9. Now we want to work to isolate that other radical. So we can say that a positive 3 and a positive 9 is 12. So we can add 3p and subtract 12 to both sides. That'll give us negative 6 times the square root of 3 minus 3p on the left and 6p minus 10 on the right. Divide everything by negative 6, and we'll get the square root of 3 minus 3p on the left, negative p plus 5/3, because that would be 10/6 on the right. Now we have an isolated radical. We could square both sides, so we'll have 3 minus 3p on the left, and then we'll have p squared minus 10/3 p plus 25/9 on the right. It's a quadratic. Let's set it equal to 0 by subtracting 3 and adding 3p to both sides. When you add 3p, think of it as 9/3 p. So this negative 10 plus 9 is a negative 1/3 p. And then when subtracting 3 to both sides, think of that as 9/3. We want that in ninths. So 27/9 that we are subtracting. And so we'll get minus 2/9. We could now solve by completing the square. If we add the 2/9 back over, we can complete the square by half of negative 1/3 is negative 1/6. Squared would be 1/36. So we're going to add to both sides, so that on the right hand side, this is p minus 1/6 squared. And on the left, think of 2/9 as 9 times 4 is 36, 2 times 4 is 8. And so that's 9/36. Now we can square root both sides, which would have to be a positive or negative. So that's positive or negative 3/6 or 1/2. Equals p minus 1/6. And so now we add 1/6 to both sides. And in terms of 6, we can call this 3/6. And so p is equal to 1 plus 3 or 4/6, which is 2/3, or p is equal to 1 minus 3, which is negative 2/6 or negative 1/3.